Stress in the workplace has been consistently on the rise throughout the economy, but particularly in the financial services. It is now the health and safety issue of the 21st century. Employers tend to view stress as an individual issue, something that will only affect certain people, and that can be dealt with by helping individuals cope better. While this can be helpful, it ignores the workplace hazards that create stress and contribute to mental health illnesses and other physical illnesses. Our survey scored Ulster Bank in the bottom 20% of employments in the UK and the Republic of Ireland. It also found that 60% of those surveyed were at risk of poor well-being. This is quite shocking. We must recognise work-related stress as arising from workplace hazards in the work environment. Our survey identified a number of workplace hazards, such as understaffing, imposed objectives, working through lunch breaks, lack of career opportunity and job insecurity, micromanagement, the lack of supportive environment, a disciplining culture, and poor pay prospects. Just like other health and safety issues, these hazards must be identified and removed to create a safe and healthy working environment. What can you do if you identify work-related stress and hazards? Well, firstly, talk to your colleagues. It helps if they understand, and you might find that people around you are feeling the same. Get in touch with the union and let us know your concerns. We can provide guidance to you as an individual, or if it is more than you who are affected, we can help the group progress the concern and issue. Talk to the Life Matters helpline and to your own GP. It is important that you seek medical advice. Notify your health and safety representatives in Ulster Bank. These are union-nominated roles in the bank, and they can help identify workplace hazards that are creating work-related stress. If you are unsure who your own health and safety reps are, please contact the union for assistance. On a wider scale, your union is seeking to improve working conditions in the bank by working to reduce stress hazards. Dr. Robert Kerr of Ulster University made a number of key recommendations, and we want the bank to implement these. His recommendations include that the bank should communicate clearly to staff their ideal staffing plans for all locations and areas based on resource planning, stress auditing, and a sustainable business model. Revisit the human resources policy, as half of respondents feel they have no opportunity to develop their careers. Ensure professionalisation is adequately incentivised. Reconsider the current employee reward and recognition strategy, in particular pay prospects, the pay matrix, and ensuring employee contribution is recognised via both financial and non-financial means. Explore the setting of individual objectives and address the issue that these are often perceived to be unrealistic. Ensure employees have a degree of control over the setting of their workplace objectives. Communicate that staff should not be at their workstations during their lunch hour break. Only a strong and engaged union can achieve progress on these objectives, as well as many other staff demands around pay, staffing and management culture. If you want to support this work, you can do so by, firstly, make sure there's a union rep in your workplace. Ask any of your colleagues not in the union or new starts to support this agenda by joining the union. Ensuring that the policies we have already won on overtime, acting up, working times and others are being implemented in your area. If you want help or advice in doing this or on any of the issues raised in the video, please email us at info@fsunion.org and follow us on Twitter at FSUnion Ireland.